let's take a look at the inverse head and shoulders now, and that's obviously just opposite to the head and shoulders. So instead of having resistance, we now have support. So you can see the key area of support identified at the bottom here, again found from the daily or 4-hour chart. And in the previous example, you saw price in an uptrend. In this example, we have price in a downtrend. Remember, we're looking at reversal patterns here, and you can see we have lower highs, lower lows, depicting a downtrend. As with the previous example, you see price just coming short of our key support area, where we pick up the first block of orders, and we get a rally. You can see the downtrend here, and we have a nice trend line forming. So lower highs, lower lows. Price then drives deeper into this key area of support, picks up more orders, and we get a nicer rally. The important thing to note here is this swing high right here taken out. What we're looking for now is, once that trend line is broken, we're looking for a higher high, and we're now looking to reference this area of support right here. So as in the previous example where we had resistance, we're now looking at this area right here as a dealing or reference point. So that's the most important point in this pattern for me in this instance here, and very often you will find it lining up with the back end of the trend line. So we're looking to trade the level right here. Again, left equals to right, or that area of support, as the main dealing level. And if we add fibs in, very often you're going to find a 618 to 786 retracement, and less often, but still encounter, is the 886, which is a deeper retracement, and price then rallies off that level. So that's the area right there that you're looking to trade from using a limit order. Stops are placed just below this swing low, looking for a move to the upside. And if we label the pattern, we have a left shoulder, we have the head, and we have the right shoulder, and we're looking for the right shoulder to equal to that left shoulder. So that, again, most important dealing level or reference point in the pattern.